everyone, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today we are making an aromatic South Indian favorite ghee rice with creamy mixed vegetable kurma. Simple and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's get started. First soak 500 grams of rice in water. First take a cooker, heat 4 spoons of ghee and little oil. Now add 5 to 6 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 clove, 1 stone flower, 3 to 4 Marathi moggu, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and let them sizzle. Also add some cashews and fry them well. To add 2 sliced onions, saute until golden brown. Now add roughly grinded 8 to 10 green chilies, 2 to 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste, saute until fragrant. Now add drained rice to the cooker with 2 teaspoons salt, add 1 cup of coconut milk and mix it well. Pour 4 glasses of water, close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Until then, let's make veg kurma. Take a pan, heat oil, then add 2 sliced onions, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 clove, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 10 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Then add few red chilies, half in ginger chopped, roast them well and turn off the heat. Add half cup of grated coconut, few cashews, mix it well and let it cool down. Now take a cooker, heat some oil, add 2 chopped potatoes, 2 chopped carrot, 1 cup beans and some peas. Add salt to taste, mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now take a cool mixture into the jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Add this paste to the cooked vegetable and mix gently. Pour some water, mix it well and close the lid and cook for few minutes. Fluffy ghee rice and rich vegetable kurma is ready. A perfect combination that smells heavenly and tastes even better. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe and comment what recipe you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.